So, hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a general health, career, and finances and spirituality reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the month of June 2026. This is not okay. This is a general reading. This might or might not resonate. Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Cancer. Let's start with your health thing. That is the most important thing actually for every one of us. Let's see for your health. Okay, we have the Seven of Cups. You are going to have your energies all over the place. Either you are trying to start something fresh in your health thing, and you are going to be a little bit like on the edge of what the hell should I do? Should I go yoga, swimming, gym, this, that, and or you are going to have lots of things going on in your life right now that you will not be able to focus on your health. So your health is going to be okay as long as you are going to take care of your health and you are not going to allow it to go down. If you are already going through some kind of health issues, do not ignore them because it might get difficult in the coming future if not taken care of properly right now. Guidance is the Ten of Cups. Surround yourself with good people, good vibes, good energies, and take care of your emotional health, Cancer, as much as you can. Because of your emotional health, if your emotions are all over the place, it's going to have direct impact on your physical health too. So the more you are going to be emotionally happy and emotionally settled, the more your physical health is also going to improve. And if you're already having some kind of health issues, make sure you are not going to ignore them and you're not going to take them lightly because it might get out of control in the coming future, especially your cholesterol level, something related to hydration, okay, or fluid in the body. Don't take it lightly. For your business or career thing, we have the Knight of Cups. Some kind of good news is coming, maybe some kind of message, communication, some kind of good news that you are hoping for and waiting for, that is coming for you guys. You are going to be maybe rewarded, or you guys are going to be awarded for some kind of good work of yours, and or guys are going to be presented with a very good opportunity, like a responsibility and opportunity. Some kind of status improvement is also there, right? Whatever it is, for some of you it might be like somebody apologizing to you for something that they have done, or some kind of mishappening was there, and now things are getting resolved in your workplace or in your business place. Good news is coming in, basically. Okay, good news is coming in, and that is going to make you feel quite happy. Guidance is the King of Cups. Yeah, be emotionally stable. Cancer, what is happening? All the cards are of cups. Please keep yourself emotionally happy, emotionally safe, and emotionally secure. That is going to have a direct impact on every area of your life, right? So when this beautiful happy go lucky opportunity is showing up in your life, make sure you are not going to lose your mind, or you are not going to feel like, oh my god, now I am going to be the king or the queen of the world. Okay, stay humble, stay grounded, enjoy the process, enjoy the journey, enjoy the good news as much as you can, but at the same time be emotionally stable. Something related to your emotions is of very very importance this month for you guys. For those of you who want to start or restart a new career or a new business thing, we have the Seven of Pentacles. You guys will be watching and waiting and hoping for some kind of opportunity to come forward, because you guys are having a very specific kind of demand, not demand actually, very specific kind of need of a career opportunity or business opportunity, although you are going to have another opportunity right in front of you that either you are not going to take, or you are going to feel like, okay, I'll keep it in the background. So there is the period of waiting and watching and hoping for something to show up so that you guys can move forward and grab an opportunity. But at the same time, there is this opportunity that's right in front of you that you're not taking, or feeling like, okay, I'll think about it. The guidance here is the Queen of Pentacles. See, if for the time being things are not happening the way you want them to happen, it doesn't mean that they are never going to happen. But at the same time, if the opportunity that is right in front of you is going to give you the kind of stability that you're looking forward to have, do not ignore that completely. You don't have to do like a job or a business for 10 years if that's not what you want to do. But if it is something respectable, if it is something that can give you the kind of stability, at least for the time being, you should not completely ignore it. You can think about it. Okay, you can think about it. And you can take help from somebody who is wiser, who is richer in the sense, richer in the sense of experience, wisdom, knowledge, and they can guide you, somebody compassionate and at the same time very practical and grounded. So take help maybe, or take advice maybe from somebody who can help you to figure it out, and that is going to save a lot of time, efforts, and energy from your side. For your spiritual journey or your healing journey, we have the Hermit card. You are going to become much more wiser, much more in your life. You guys will be able to understand a lot of things in your life because of your wisdom, knowledge, experience, whatever you have gone through. So you're going to get more introvert, or more, you're going to be more inwards, right? So because it's like silence sitting in within yourself, slowly but surely, Cancer. It's like silence sitting in your energy, slowly but surely, Cancer. And things are going to make you feel like, everything is going to make you feel like you are able to understand things on a much deeper level than others. Okay, that is really a good thing. Very strong improvement, if especially if you guys are doing this healing work and spiritual things from a long time. Okay, and if not, you might end up connecting with somebody who is going to give you this kind of wisdom and knowledge and experience to go deeper in your life, right? And we have the Queen of Cups as the guidance here. So self love, self care, self healing is the most important factor that is going to lead to major success in your spiritual and healing journey in the coming future. Do not forget to give yourself the kind of love, the kind of happiness, the kind of compassionate kind of energy that you should that you keep on giving to others as well. Okay, okay, let me see about your finances. Yeah, finances is Page of Cups. So honey, I do see some kind of improvement in your finances. A little bit of improvement is going to be there in your finances. I don't see drastic changes or drastic improvements, but whatever little bit whatever it is going to be a good news for you. It is going to make you feel like, okay, if this much small amount of improvement can happen, it can lead to some kind of major success also in the coming future. So you are going to feel like you are on the right track when it comes to your finances, and you are going to feel quite happy, but emotionally a little bit up and down, because you guys are not going to get the kind of returns that you're hoping for, the kind of savings that you're hoping for, but still it is going to be something good to cherish. Guidance is the Ace of Cups. Keep your heart open. It's like the airplane passing by. Keep your heart open, keep your energies open, and you are going to have a good relationship with money down the line if you are not going to feel sad or depressed, if you are not going to have too much expectation, and you are not going to have realistic expectations, most importantly, right? So have realistic expectations from yourself and from your money thing, at least for the time being. In the future, you can always have the opportunity to improve it, but staying happy with whatever you have right now, staying grateful for whatever you have right now, is going to help you to attract more and more money and positive energies in the life ahead of you, right? That is the answer, that is the guidance. Okay, so before closing this reading, let me invite you one last time for the 7-day 7 Osho meditation camp that's happening online from 4:30 to 5:30 in the evening, from tomorrow till the 11th of June 2026. We are going to do a lot of Osho meditations in that, Osho meditations only in that. A lot of fun, lot of healing, lot of positivity, and fees is very affordable. You can check out the link in the description box. I'll see you on the other side. Don't forget to check it, read all the instructions and everything properly before proceeding further. Okay, because the fees is non-refundable. Okay, and I cannot provide the recordings because I'm not allowed to do that. Simple as that. So I'll see you on the other side. Very excited. Even if one person is going to show up, we are good to go. And so okay, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.